So what's up YouTube? This is a quick review of the Tusk Nerf bars for the 2018 Yamaha Raptor. It's a 700R. These are real easy to put on, as you can tell. It's just got two bolts right here. You can see that. And and it's got a place right here where it bolts to the motor mount. The only other thing you got to do is, once you get out of the box, you have to put this webbing on there. Yeah, now you can see it. Only other thing you got to do is put that webbing on there, and that's pretty easy to put on. I put this side on already, but I'll show you. I haven't put this side on yet. So this is how it comes. You get the bar, and then the webbing is separate. The thing, I think the easiest way to do it is just lay it out. And once you got it laid out for, whichever Nerf bar goes on whichever side of the bike, then the longest part of the webbing will go facing inside, and then you just thread them inside these holes. You go in, down through the top hole, out the bottom, and then back in through the middle, and it kind of comes back out through the top. So I'll try to show you exactly what you got to do. I think the only thing you really need, the only thing I needed, was a socket wrench. I think mine was a 12 millimeter. This is the bracket that goes onto your motor mount that holds the front of the Nerf bars, and then you get these two screws that mount to the foot peg. So I'll try to show you real quick kind of how to do it. Just go straight in, all the way through to the bottom like that, and then loop it back through. And when you loop it back through, it'll come out the top. So you just do all of them like that, and they'll lock on real good like that. That's all. That's really all you got to do. So once you have all the webbing on there, then you want to take the topmost screw attached to the motor mount, which in my case is kind of going to be up under this hose right here, but you can see it. It's this one right here. So we'll take that one out and attach this, which is the mount. So it'll kind of sit just like that. And then we'll add the two screws that came with the Nerf bars right here and right here. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I got it on. Alright, so that's it. I got both Nerf bars installed now. One thing I would recommend you do when you put them on, though, is when you put on the first bolt right here in the front, right there, I would advise you put it on. It's kind of back behind there, but when you put it on, leave it loose until you get these on and these are tightened up. Because once you got these two on and tightened up, you're good to go ahead and tighten that on. It still kind of wants to move a little bit once you put while you're still putting it on. That first one still needs to be able to move, but other than that, it's real easy and straightforward. So that's it. I got both on. It's looking good.